You lift one foot up, put it down, then the other foot, ooh, let it hit the ground. Put one foot in front of the other. It's easy to do. You gotta take it step by step. Step by step. Woof! Woof! Woof!